In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view invoices in Google Ads. Whether you're managing your own ad campaigns or overseeing multiple accounts for clients, being able to access and review your invoices efficiently is essential. Staying on top of billing not only helps in tracking your spending, but also ensures that there are no unexpected surprises at the end of the month. By following these steps, you'll easily navigate through the Google Ads platform to find exactly what you need. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Google Ads website. If you're not already signed in, be sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Now, once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate an area called the Overview. Usually this is the first page that greets you after logging in. It provides a snapshot of your campaigns, recent performance keywords, and most importantly for today, it's your starting point to access billing information. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Here you'll see an option that looks like a credit card icon. Click on it. This step is crucial as it leads you to the financial segment of your Google Ads account. If you're having difficulty finding this icon, sometimes just hovering over the icons can reveal tooltips or descriptions that are quite helpful. Clicking on this credit card icon will seamlessly transition you to your billing overview. Once you're in the billing section, you should now see a menu or a tab labeled Summary. Go ahead and click on Summary. The billing summary gives you a detailed rundown of your current and past bills. Here you will find details like current balance, upcoming charges, and most importantly, all of your past invoices. This section is your financial dashboard, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Speaking of invoices, this is where you can select from past invoices and even download copies for your records. It's always a good practice to review your invoices periodically to verify that all charges align with your campaign activities. By following these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to easily view and manage your invoices in Google Ads. As a tip, remember to regularly check your billing details and keep records of your invoices for any accounting needs you may have. This not only helps in budgeting accurately, but also ensures transparency and accountability in your advertising endeavors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out other tutorials to enhance your Google Ads skills.